Mighty Truck Surfs Up by Barton. Mr. Dent was a surf wagon. There goes surfing. He lived next door to Clarence. Clarence saw Mr. Dent every day. This is Mr. Dent. He saw Mr. Dent's cat less often. Mr. Dent's cat, Throttle, hid a lot. Mr. Dent's cat likes to hide. One day, the weather was perfect. It was perfect for the beach. "Good morning," Clarence said. "Will you catch some waves today?" "You know us," Mr. Dent said. "We would hate to miss out on those. Am I right, little dude?" He's talking to his cat. Mr. Dent winked at Throttle. Wink. "Meow," said Throttle. That meow meant something. It did not mean "you are right." It meant "I do not like the water." Mr. Dent did not know that Throttle hated water. "Told you," he said to Clarence. "Do you want to join us for a bit?" Clarence liked that idea. "Sure," he replied. "The beach sounds fun, but I will just watch. I never learned how to surf." So Clarence said that he is just going to watch and he's not going to go surfing. He's just going to watch to the beach. "Same here," Mr. Dent said. "I will watch with you." So it looks like Mr. Dent also is going to watch. It looks like he doesn't surf too. "I'm confused," said Clarence. You sure sound like a surfer." Mr. Dent said. "No, I can't surf," Mr. Dent said. "Dude, I just talk this way." I say, "I'm here to support my cat. Throttle loves to surf." So is it true that Throttle loves to surf? Do you remember in the story previously? What does it say? "I do not like the water." Throttle did not love to surf. Mr. Dent was mistaken. Mistaken means Mr. Dent thought that Throttle likes to surf. But Throttle could not tell him. Not with words, anyway. "Meow," said Throttle. It meant, "Please, not again." Mr. Dent did not know that. "Have fun," replied Mr. Dent. Will he be okay?" Clarence asked. "Totally," said Mr. Dent. "Meow," said Throttle. Throttle was not okay. There was a strong current. It means a lot of wave. The current carried the cat away. Oh no, it's carrying the cat away. Throttle was in trouble. Clarence knew what he had to do. Clarence can see that something is wrong. Clarence found 2 pieces of wood. He floated out toward Throttle. It took a long while. Took a long time. Clarence finally got there. Throttle was not alone anymore. But then a giant wave came along. Clarence and Throttle saw it. Then they were nearly under it. You see how they are under it? The salty spray covered Throttle. He turned into a wet, unhappy cat. The spray got Clarence wet too. Clarence turned into Mighty Truck. Throttle was surprised. See that? All right, said Mighty Truck. Let's go. Hold on tight. Back to shore. Whoa! One of the boards floated away. Now what? Said Mighty Truck. Meow, said Throttle. Great idea, said Mighty Truck. Maybe we can windsurf. Throttle did not argue. Watch this, said Mighty Truck. He opened his tailgate. It's not just a tailgate, he said. Now is a sailgate. He'll sail back to shore. Mighty Truck caught the breeze, or the breeze caught him. Truck and cat rode fast on the wind. They roared past the shoreline. They rushed beyond Mr. Dent. Then they skidded on the beach. Mighty Truck and Throttle tumbled, and tumble. They rolled tail over tailpipe. Finally, they stopped. The sand had changed Mighty Truck. He had turned back into Clarence. No longer a Mighty Truck. Dude, Mr. Dent said to Clarence, you must have wiped out. Did I miss much? Clarence asked. Only Mighty Truck, Mr. Dent said. He saved my cat. Sorry I missed him, Clarence said. Clarence looked at Throttle. Throttle looked at Clarence. That was fun, Clarence said. Should we do it again, Throttle? Purr, said the cat. That purr meant something. It meant anytime, Mighty Truck. So it looks like Mighty Truck saved the day.